Hi. Welcome to our channel. Hope you all are doing well and are ready for today's experiment with GPT-4. Without wasting your time, let's start. We have this Bing browser opened and let me access the chat box option from the top left corner. So, here I am selecting more precise option so we get the latest and updated info about the topic. Let's type. Are companies hiring lots of AI talent? ChatGPT is generating answers for us, so we have to wait a little. Here it comes up. So it says that according to a recent article on dice.com, there isn't a lot of AI-related hiring right now, at least on a state-by-state basis. Hiring specialists for AI jobs can prove an expensive endeavor. AI developers and machine learning engineers can easily earn six-figure annual salaries. However, as AI becomes more mainstream, we may see a rise in companies needing AI experts and researchers. There are also top companies competing to hire the best AI talent. So this means that hiring AI experts is not yet a trend but will soon become. So you should feel excited about this. Let's now ask Bing search for the top companies hiring AI talent. Let the search engine bring results, and here it goes. The results are generated. So, according to Glassdoor research, some of the top companies hiring AI talent are Amazon, Nvidia, and Microsoft. Other companies that are hiring for AI jobs include LinkedIn. They are not actually hiring for themselves, but employers post on these platforms to hunt for AI specialists. So, that means that you should seek for AI jobs on job-seeking platforms. Let's see if you get hired, then how much you will be paid as an AI developer. As of March 14, 2023. Oh, that's bad that it's showing statistics for the past month, but that's okay, for a guess. Well, the average annual pay for an AI developer in the United States is $123,080 a year. This works out to be approximately $59.17 an hour. Not bad. Here we can search for other countries as well, but let's look for Europe. Bing is generating answers for us. The average salary for AI developers varies across Europe. In the UK, the median AI engineer salary is over £60,000 per annum. In Germany, the annual AI engineer salary is around €84,574. This is also a good amount working with AI. Now see what platforms do Bing recommend for AI job search? There are many job search websites where you can look for AI jobs. Some popular ones include LinkedIn, Indeed, Glassdoor, and Monster. You can also check the career pages of companies that are known for hiring AI talent to see if they have any open positions. Before concluding the research, let's ask for requirements that employers seek. To get a job in artificial intelligence, you'll want to earn a bachelor's degree in computer science or a related major. Also, consider pursuing a postgraduate degree in the field and building your experience and portfolio. Some of the skills that are important for AI jobs include proficiency in programming languages and coding, knowledge of machine learning algorithms, data analytics, and natural language processing. It is also important to have strong problem-solving skills and the ability to work well in a team. So, this was all from today's video. Hope you get an idea that whether you can make career in AI field. Please subscribe for more useful content. Thank you.